We know already that solar panels will generate electricity when the sunlight strikes the panels. But we do not know exactly the process on how this solar panels can generate electricity. On this video, we try to discuss on how solar panel works in order to generate electricity. Remember that solar panel contains a group of solar cells that connected together. These solar cells, or photovoltaic cells, are made of two semiconductor, which is P-type silicon layer, and N-type silicon layer. The P-type silicon is produced from boron, or gallium atoms, which have one less positively charged electron hole vacancy to bond the other silicon atom. While the N-type silicon is produced from phosphorus atoms that have 5 electrons, on which the 4 electrons was bonded together, and the other 1 negatively charged electrons will needs bonding from other silicon atom. The surface between P-type silicon and N-type silicon will form into P-N junction, or depletion zone, to create an electric field. The process of electricity generation will start when the sunlight strikes on solar cells by means of PV effect, or photovoltaic effect principles. The sunlight also is made of photons, which are the smallest particles of electromagnetic radiation. The photons in sunlight was absorbed by the P-type silicon and N-type silicon when the sunlight strikes the solar cells. Then, the electrons of N-type junction layer will move into the vacant holes of P-type junction layer in the P-N junction, or depletion zone. Then, all vacant holes was filled with the electrons. Now, the P-type side of the depletion zone was filled with negatively charged ions, and the N-type side of the depletion zone was filled of positively charged ions. This two group of opposite charge ion will create an electric field, on which the N-type electron was ejected to the anode metallic conductor, and the P-type electron was ejected to the cathode conductor. Finally, the solar cell creates a flow of electricity from both anode and cathode terminal, on which connected to the other parallel solar cell, or serial solar cell. Now, the solar cell will produce external DC electricity to energize the 4 LED light that connected on series and parallel. Bear in mind that the reflective mirror of the cell was placed between P-type layer and cathode conductor in order to increase the solar panel energy output. We have 4 types of solar cells, or photovoltaic cells, such as polycrystalline silicon solar cells, monocrystalline silicon solar cells, thin film solar cells, and multi-junction solar cells. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young.